Your imagination is God within you, the creative force that shapes your reality. What you imagine and feel as true in your mind will inevitably be mirrored in your external world. This is the essence of manifesting your desires. But how do you do this effectively? How do you communicate with the universe so that your wishes are granted? Asking the universe isn't just about making a wish. It's about aligning your inner state with the reality you want to experience. This isn't just a verbal request, it's a vibrational one. It's the feeling behind your desire that matters most. The key to successful manifestation is to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This means living as if your desire has already been fulfilled, feeling the joy, peace, or excitement as if it's already yours.